Hello students and welcome to this session. So today we are going to start with the WordPress dashboard. We will just look around our WordPress dashboard. So first of all, I would like to say that WordPress dashboard is a first screen which will be seen when you log into your administration area. This will display your blog, which will display overview of the website. It is the collection of gadgets that provide information and provide an overview of what's happening with your blog. You can customize your needs by using some quick links such as writing quick draft. Here you can see the draft. Okay, then replying to latest comment. Here you can also reply to the comments. Okay, this dashboard is categorized into some categories, like this is the dashboard menu you can see. Okay, this is at glance. Okay, then quick draft. Here you can see the screen options. Okay, then this is your welcome note, and also the WordPress news. Here you can see WordPress events and news. So let's see one by one. First we will start with the dashboard menu. Your post, media page, comments, all this comes in the dashboard menu. So WordPress dashboard provides navigation menu that contains some menu options. As I told you, post, media, pages, comments, appearance, plugins, user, tools, setting, this all are the menu. Next we can see the screen options. The dashboard contains different type of widgets which can be shown or hidden on some screens. Here you can see when you click on at glance, means when you uncheck it, it will not be shown on the screen. When you click on activity, means if you uncheck the activity will not be shown here. Okay, so this all are the screen options what you want to display on your screen. Next we will go to the welcome. It includes customize your site button. Here you can see customize your site, which allows customizing your WordPress theme. The center column, here you can see the center column. This provides some useful links such as creating a blog post. Here you can write your first blog post, then creating a page. Here you can see add an about page. You can say a page view the front end of your WordPress. Here you can see view your site. And the last column contains widgets like menu settings. Here you can see manage menu, manage widgets, means where you can manage the widgets, and also a link to first step with the WordPress page in the WordPress codex. Okay, next we will come to the quick draft. So quick draft is a mini post editor which allows writing, saving and publishing a post from admin dashboard. It includes a title for the draft. Here you can see the title, some note about the draft. Okay, and save it as a draft, means whatever you will write here, it will be saved as a draft. Next part comes as WordPress events and news. So this widget displays the latest news such as latest software version, updates, alerts, news regarding the software, and from the official WordPress blog, means whatever news you will get here, it will be from the official WordPress blog. Next we can see for the activity. Here you can see the activity part. So activity widget includes latest comments. Okay, this you can see comment on your blog, recent post and recently published post. It allows you to approve, disapprove, reply, edit or delete a comment. It also allows you to move a comment to a spam. Here you can see all the options. Okay, what are the pending, what is approved, what should be moved to the spam, trash. Okay, next is at a glance. This section gives an overview of your blog's post, number of published posts and pages, and number of comments. When you click on this link, here you can see post, page, comment. When you click on this, you will be taken to respective screen. It displays the current version of running WordPress along with the currently running theme on the site. So if I click on the first post, let's see, here is a first post, means it is a default post, that is hello world. From here you can edit it, move to trash or view your post. So this was all about the WordPress dashboard. Thank you for watching the session.